In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the campaign URL in Mailchimp. Before we jump in, here's what this means and why it matters. The campaign URL is the web version link of your email, the page your subscribers can open in their browser if images don't load in their inbox, or if they want to bookmark or share your message. Customizing this URL helps with branding, makes the link easier to recognize, and looks more professional when you share it on social media or your website. Let's get started. First, log into your Mailchimp account. Use your usual credentials and wait a moment for the dashboard to load. Once you're in, look to the top menu and click Audience. This takes you to the area where your contacts and audience level settings live. If you work with more than one audience, make sure the correct one is selected so you're editing the right setup. Inside your audience, open Settings. Depending on your layout, this may appear in a sidebar or under a Manage Audience menu. Settings is where Mailchimp keeps options that affect how your audience interacts with your campaigns and how those campaigns appear on the web. Scroll down until you find Email Campaign URL. This section controls the web address used for the browser version of your emails. Typically, you'll see a preview of the current URL here. It uses Mailchimp's domain and a customizable path, which is the part you get to brand. Click Edit next to the current URL. This opens a field where you can type your custom URL. Keep it short, readable, and on brand, something like https Mailchimp MP your brand newsletter 1. Aim for lowercase letters, numbers, and hyphens. Avoid spaces and special characters, and make it descriptive enough that you'll recognize it at a glance. Consistency helps too. For example, you might use a pattern like your brand name followed by a campaign or issue number. When you're happy with it, click Save to apply your changes. Mailchimp will store this new format for your campaign's web version link, so when someone opens your email in a browser, they'll see the clean, branded URL you just set. If you ever need to refine your naming convention, you can come back to this same spot and adjust it again before future sends. That's all there is to it. By taking a moment to customize your campaign URL, you make your emails easier to share, more trustworthy to click, and more aligned with your brand. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.